cluster tours demonstrate the leading clusters on the island of Ireland. The delegates will take away an understanding of the island of Ireland's leading cluster organisations and their role in supporting economic development and societal impact for the island of Ireland.
They really do bring real-life scenarios to a broader audience. So when we hosted alongside CyberIreland yesterday, it was great to interact with a number of different people from lots of different parts of the world and to give them a real taste of the work that's going on across the island within cybersecurity. I really hope that the delegates take away from the tour the sense that the spirit of collaboration and cooperation really is alive and well across the island. And I think that it really does drive competitiveness and productivity and an opportunity for everyone to thrive.
What impressed me the most is this capacity of cross-border collaboration. So it's been great to see, how Ireland and Northern Ireland are collaborating in a cluster policy, which I think it can be then used to help companies. If you are having a cluster in your country that's on a sector, I think it's good to look what's happening abroad, right? So every country can have a cluster policy. So it's important to learn about experiences and also connect internationally. It's about interconnection, So we're coming from digital healthcare, and we were looking to incorporate cybersecurity technologies in the projects we do, and to help also the partners we have. And we came here especially for that. We thought we could have gone to providers, to cybersecurity providers, but instead of that, we said, well, let's go to meet some clusters around Europe, and it's been a fantastic experience here in Ireland.
Cluster tours are really important because people get to see what's actually happening on the ground. So the innovation, the building of the ecosystem, and they can walk through that whole journey with the clusters. Having those real life conversations, I think, is really important, and that's where you start to build trust and relationships. And then from a FinTech corridor point of view, I think it's really interesting for other clusters to see how we've built seamlessly an EU and UK bridge within a small region. I hope the delegates go away with seeing the cluster, so the FinTech cluster, that we've been able to build an EU and UK ecosystem, and that it's really pivotal to see the working behind that and the backstory in our history. The quadruple helix, clusters, academia, industry and government all working together is a perfect example.